Hey friends, if you wish to fix Valorant Bootstrap packaged game error on your system, then the procedure is as follows. Now, I will divide this case into two categories. One is that you have an antivirus installed on your system, and the second one is that you do not have a separate third party antivirus installed on your system. So, if you do not have it, then search for Firewall in the Windows search bar. Click on this option, Firewall and Network Protection. Now you'll find this option, Allow an app through Firewall. Click on this and scroll down to Riot. The list is in alphabetical order, so it will be easy to find the Riot client. Make sure that this is checked. It should be checked, not unchecked, because this is supposed to be allowed. It should be an exception. And then click on OK to save the settings. However, if you have an antivirus installed on your system, then that option will not be available. So open the antivirus. In my case, I use Avast, so I'll click on Menu, Settings, and then I'll go to Exceptions. It may be different for you depending upon the client. Click on Add Exception, select Browse, scroll down, check the box associated with Riot Client and Valorant, click on OK, click on Add Exception. Now in my case it already exists, but if it does not, it will be added here like this. I hope this was helpful, and if this was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel. If not, let us know in the comment section and we will investigate it further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.